Introducing the EDC Multitool, a versatile companion designed to enhance your learning experience. With its innovative features and practical functionality, the EDC Multitool empowers students to explore, create, and excel in their educational journey. The EDC Multitool offers a range of study and organization tools to keep you on track and maximize productivity. From digital calendars and task lists to note-taking and document management, it helps you stay organized and focused. Introducing the 11-in-1T Multifunction Quick Keychain, the ultimate portable tool designed to provide convenience and versatility wherever you go. With its compact design and multiple functions, this keychain is a handy companion for various everyday tasks. The 11-in-1T Multifunction Quick Keychain is crafted from durable titanium, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably on your keyring or in your pocket, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. With 11 different functions packed into one sleek tool, the 11-in-1T Multifunction Quick Keychain is a versatile companion for various everyday tasks. Meet Nimble, the one-finger wonder tool designed to simplify your everyday tasks. With its compact and innovative design, Nimble empowers you to handle various situations with ease using just a single finger. Nimble is a compact and ergonomic tool that comfortably fits on your finger, giving you ultimate control and precision. Its lightweight design ensures maximum dexterity, making it effortless to navigate through various tasks. Experience the convenience of a tool that is always at your fingertips, ready to assist you in a multitude of situations. Introducing the Tool Arc 154, the ultimate all-in-one multi-tool designed to tackle any task that comes your way. With its robust construction and versatile range of functions, this multi-tool is your reliable companion for various projects and adventures. The Tool Arc 154 is built to withstand the toughest challenges. Crafted from high-quality materials, this multi-tool is designed for durability, ensuring it will be by your side for countless projects and outdoor adventures. The Tool Arc 154 boasts an impressive array of versatile functions, making it a true all-in-one multi-tool. From everyday repairs to outdoor survival situations, this tool has you covered. Meet Keymax G5, the ultimate keychain multi-tool designed to provide convenience and versatility in a compact package. With its innovative features and durable construction, this multi-tool is your essential companion for everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. The Keymax G5 is designed to be compact and lightweight, allowing you to carry it conveniently on your keychain wherever you go. Its sleek and minimalist design ensures it won't weigh you down, while still providing a wide range of useful tools at your fingertips. Discover the Enigma Pocket Probe, the perfect companion for all your adventurous pursuits. With its compact size and powerful features, this innovative tool is designed to unlock hidden secrets and assist you in your exploration. The Enigma Pocket Probe is engineered to be compact and portable, easily fitting in your pocket or backpack. Take it with you on hiking trips, nature walks, or any adventure where you want to uncover the mysteries of the world around you. The Enigma Pocket Pro boasts a variety of versatile functions to cater to your exploration needs. From examining natural specimens to navigating challenging terrains, this tool is equipped to handle it all. Duo Multitool is the perfect companion for all your adventures. With its compact size and wide range of functions, this innovative tool is designed to tackle any challenge you encounter along the way. The Duo Multitool is thoughtfully engineered to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring the great outdoors, this tool is designed to be by your side without weighing you down. The Duo Multitool is packed with a wide array of functions to cater to your diverse needs. From simple repairs to outdoor adventures, this tool has you covered.